How to get rid of lower abdominal pain naturally. Women often experience pain in the lower abdomen due to their periods or menstruation. But abdominal pain is not just a women's issue. Men also experience this problem. Lower abdominal pain is common and often easily remedied. But if you have such pain on a regular basis, do not take it lightly. Here in this video, we will discuss 6 homemade remedies to get rid of lower abdominal pain. Number 1. Heat. If you are having pain in the lower abdomen due to PMS or menstruation, try applying heat on the affected area. Applying heat helps reduce the pain by relaxing the contracting muscles in the uterus. Place a heating pad over the lower part of your abdomen. Do it until you feel more comfortable. Number 2. Chamomile. A soothing cup of chamomile tea can provide relief from lower abdominal pain. The herb is rich in anti-inflammatory and anti-spasmodic properties, which help relax the uterus and ease the spasmodic contractions that cause pain during menstruation. Chamomile is also a good remedy for diverticular disease that causes pain in the lower abdomen. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers to a cup of hot water. Cover and let it steep for 5 minutes. Strain it and mix in 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink up to 3 cups of chamomile tea daily. Caution: do not take chamomile if you are pregnant or taking birth control pills or blood-thinning medicine. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger is another good remedy for lower abdominal pain, whether the cause is menstruation, PMS, constipation, indigestion, gas, diverticular disease, or diverticulitis. Add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger to a cup of boiling water. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Strain it and add a little honey and lemon juice for taste. Drink 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea daily. Also, add a few drops of ginger essential oil to any base oil and rub it on your stomach. Do this once or twice a day. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is effective in treating a wide variety of ailments that can cause lower abdominal pain. Being a powerful detoxifying agent and rich in calcium and potassium, apple cider vinegar eases cramping of the uterine muscles and reduces pain due to menstruation or PMS. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Add a little raw, organic honey. Drink this solution once or twice daily. Number 5. Diet. Certain foods and beverages can cause abdominal bloating and lower abdominal pain by causing gas or constipation. Avoiding such foods and beverages works as a preventive measure. To find out which foods give you pain in the lower abdomen, you may have to maintain a food journal. Some of the foods and beverages that should be avoided include beans, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, beer, carbonated beverages, chewing gum, dairy products, hard candy, high-fat foods, lentils, and turnips. Number 6. Peppermint. The menthol in peppermint works as a natural analgesic and helps reduce abdominal pain, whether it is in the lower or upper portion. For quick relief from lower abdominal pain, simply chew some peppermint leaves.